Hi all. Today we are going to see lesson number 18, that is debugging. So dear students, before this we have seen algorithm and program. So you all know algorithm is set of instructions to achieve a specific task and program is a particularly set of instructions that is coded in the form which computer can understand. That is nothing but a program. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn how to identify bug in an algorithm. So, what is meant by bug? If there is problem in the algorithm or there is error in the algorithm, so we cannot achieve the specific task if problem is there. So, this problem is nothing but a bug. It is called bug. And particularly removing that bug means finding the problem and fixing it. It's called debugging. Removing the error from the algorithm is nothing but a debugging. So let us see how to find a particular bug. As you can see a picture, particularly there is a pineapple and Robbie wants to eat that pineapple or to reach that particular fruit. So for that, as you can see in the picture, instructions are step 1 right, step 2 right, step 3 right. And here it is given step 4 down. But as you can see, pineapple is kept at the topmost corner to the right side. So instead of going down, we have to go up. So particularly the last step is wrong. That's why we can say there is a bug in this set of instructions. Now, if we want to correct that particularly, as we found the problem at the last step, it means we found the bug. Now we have to remove that, means we have to debug that. So the correct set of instructions will be, as you can see in the picture, step 1 right, step 1 right, step 3 right, and step 4 up. So the wrong step we have corrected. Thus, bug was removed from the algorithm and Robbie can reach the fruit and it can eat the fruit. So in this way we can find the bug and we can remove that. So removing the bug is nothing but a debugging. Now debugging a loop. So as you know that looping is nothing but a set of instructions or action which is going to be repeated. It's called loop. It's called loop. So as you can see in the picture set of instruction. For that, if we will start from the start box, then to reach that particular with the help of this set of instruction, step 1 down, step 2 down, eat fruit. Step 4 right, eat. Step 5 eat. Step 6 right. Step 7 eat. Step 8 right. So these are the set of instructions. So whatever the set of instruction which are repeated, that we can transform in the form of loop by writing the same instruction like this. That is, repeat 2 times. Do or go down, eat. repeat 3 times, go right and eat. So this will be the set of instructions in looping. Now with this set of instructions, Robbie is reaching at danger place because Robbie went one more step ahead. So the instructions inside the second loop, that is move right and eat. So these are repeated thrice and Robbie ends up in a danger. He reaches in danger cell. So to correct the problem, set of instruction should be repeated only twice. That is, repeat 2 times, go down, eat. Repeat 2 times, go right, eat. So here from the loop also we have debug. We have done debugging. So instead of reaching at danger place, Robbie is safe. And this can be achieved by repeating a particular set of instruction. Thank you.